If we could hold off Alzheimer's just 5 years, that would halve the incidence of Alzheimer's in the United States. If you have a disease, there's an organ or tissue that's affected, and this leads to the production of a lot of debris related to that particular disease. So we figured out a way to be able to detect those disease-associated antibodies and also use them as biomarkers to tell a person that you have a disease, and often many years before they even know that they're sick. So in the case of Alzheimer's, we've identified 7 autoantibodies that we use as biomarkers that tells us that if you have high levels of those 7, you have Alzheimer's disease cooking in your head. But what was most exciting, we were able to use those same 7 biomarkers to actually detect the presence of Alzheimer's disease in people as early as 10 years before any symptoms would appear. Stemming from the work that we did here at the School of Osteopathic Medicine, we've started a startup company. The company is called Durin Technologies, and the goal of the company is to develop a multi-disease diagnostic platform.
Instead of looking at the markers that everyone else looks at, we simply looked at what was different in the diseased patients versus patients who don't have the disease.
Currently we do Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, MS. We're targeting ALS, cancers like breast cancer, prostate cancer, and so that's going to be the future of our work.
A patient comes into the office with a mild cognitive impairment, with some type of memory or cognitive complaint. It's important for the doctor to know, is it Alzheimer's, yes or no? If it turns out they take our test and find out no, then it's something else, and that will prompt the doctor to investigate what else could cause it. I would think that most people starting at around 60 would want to take the test on an annual basis just to check and see how things are going. You can say to them, oh, we're detecting something's going on in your brain, but you obviously don't have symptoms yet, so things are looking good. The patient, of course, will say, well, doc, is there anything I can do to hold this off? And the answer is yes, there is. It's not that a pill necessarily has to be available. If you do diet and exercise, which are not things that senior citizens usually do, and keep yourself intellectually or brain active, you can make your own pill by just changing your lifestyle.